Hi, welcome to our weekly Miami Trainers update. On the last week of January, don't forget to join us for an IMAP matrix working with buyers and sellers, CMA workshop, form simplicity, and social media marketing. These are just some of the classes being offered this week. For more information, visit miamirealtors.com/calendar and be sure to register. Now, our tip of the week. Did you know that subdivision names are for RE1, single family homes and mobile homes, and complex names are for RE2, condo, townhouse, village, and co-op, etc. Also in rental search, both single family homes and condo are under subdivision names. Join us every week for a brand new tip from Miami Trainers. And again, thank you for being a Miami member.